Good morning, parents. This is Dr. Sagarika Roy Bhatia, the author of the book Just Expressions, available on Amazon. You could grab your copy today. Well, parents, today let's speak about burnout. Our children are currently experiencing burnout because for last 1.5 years almost, they've been at home in the four walls, and at the same time, they've been following online lessons. So I think it's too much of online lessons. And what is burnout? It's nothing but physical, emotional, and psychological, that is mental exhaustion or overwhelming. And our children display this very regularly at home by their anger pangs, their hunger pangs, and their time to time not feeling motivated. We parents are just pushing them to study, yeah. And also at the same time, maybe they just sleep in the middle of the day, or they're just absolutely disinterested. Their mobile phones are, their cameras are off, and then they are doing something else. So this is all because of burnout. Please realize it, parents. And why is this burnout? This burnout is because we parents during this time are so busy with ourselves. We spend less time with the children. We need to be good listeners. We need to give them an opportunity to speak, opportunity to express. Let's take them out somewhere to a park or whatever, wherever you have your reach, in spite of the lockdown. And let me tell you, parents, most of all, what is happening is that the children are studying the subjects that they wouldn't want to study, but what we would want them to study. That is again another reason of burnout. So we need to take note of such things. And with respect to neuroscience, let me tell you, parents, what is it? This burnout has a depleting effect on the prefrontal cortex of our brain, and this prefrontal cortex of the brain is actually responsible for memory and learning. And because of this burnout, what happens also is that there is a release of the neurotransmitters which are responsible for the fight and flight in every human being. And the moment there is a misbalance in those neurotransmitters, what happens is that it results in burnout. So parents, it's very important that we recognize these habits in our children. Let them exercise every day. Let them listen to good music. Maybe you could dance with them. Not a problem. Yeah, play a game with them. There are board games at home. Play a board game with them. Involve them with you in other activities so that they can relax themselves, other than just being there and just following online classes. That's it, parents. Happy parenting to each one of you. Enjoy your Sunday and look forward to next week's meeting with us together. Thank you.